What's going on, guys? So today we're going to cover everything you need to know to make $500 a day using a simple AI tool in Google Maps. We're going to cover why this business is one of the best that you can start and scale in your free time, as well as how to use AI to do almost all the work. We're going to cover the fastest ways to get your first customers for $0 out of pocket. And if you want to have a free deep dive guide that goes into this entire business, so just comment guide down below and I'll send it right over. All right, so what is this business and why should we do this? So most people think when you want to sell something online, you got to sell either some type of service or some type of product. So there's a lot of issues with both of those. If you sell some kind of service like freelancing or side gigs, even your regular 9-to-5 job, you're just trading time for dollars here. Income stops when you stop and there's no compounding revenue. Basically, people buy based on performance. You got to convince somebody to sell them your time. So we don't really want to do that. Products here, there's some major snags here with this as well. You got large upfront costs. Monthly recurring revenue does require repeat buyers. So you have to sell things like supplements or something someone's going to buy over and over and over again, which is very hard to do. And they're going to buy based on price here. So you're instantly commoditized, mostly a race to the bottom, very low margins. But in between, we have what's called a system as a service. This is where money's at. With systems as a service, you get paid lump sum upfront for setup, and then you get paid monthly recurring as the system provides results for your clients. And here, you don't have to prove anything to anybody because it's bought based on systems proof. You don't have to show them your personal performance. They simply buy based on seeing that the system either does what you say it does or it doesn't. So everything about selling systems as a service is way better than trying to sell a product or a service, if that makes sense. All right, so what AI system are we going to be selling here? So basically, you see these guys here, these poor guys that have 17 reviews here in Google Maps versus these other ones that have hundreds of reviews or even thousands of reviews. These guys are running the type of system that we're going to offer for sale. Now, if you're wondering, okay, well, how do I get these people to buy from me? No worries on that. We cover multiple client acquisition methods in our Skool community. There's no cold calling. There's no paid ads. You don't have to do content. Everything's covered in here. Like I said, just comment guide down below and I'll give you access to the free Skool community as well. All right. So as we were talking about, these guys that don't have very many reviews, they're ranking lower here in Maps. They're not going to get the amount of call volume that folks that have higher reviews are going to get, obviously. If you have a choice between a company that has tons of reviews versus one that doesn't, these are going to get more phone calls, plain and simple. So you don't even have to sell people on the value proposition. So the question is then, once we get someone through our client acquisition systems that we train on, how do we get them set up, right? Well, it's super easy. This is probably the easiest part of it all. So basically, we have AI software here that you'll get a free trial for in the Skool community. You simply create a free account for them. They log in here and connect their Google profile to the AI system. Once it's connected, come over here to reputation. You can send the review requests out automatically via text message or email. There's all kinds of customizations in here that you can do, templates to make them looking fancy and whatnot. But here's the cool part. The AI you can set up here, it'll automatically respond to the reviews in context to what they have said. And you have multiple agents that you can set up here. Super simple. They're already preset. You choose one. Say we choose Claire Flair here. You can generate a demo response. Dear Ethan, thank you for your kind words about our cozy atmosphere and decor. We're delighted you enjoyed your visit. We look forward to welcoming you back for another delightful experience. So what does this ultimately do for the business owner? Once they get the reviews coming in, obviously they're going to get more customers. They're going to get more leads. They're going to get more phone calls. But they're actually going to start ranking higher in Google Maps because Google sees not only the higher star ratings as positive feedback for the algorithm, but also the fact that the business is replying to the reviews shows that they're active in their Google business profile. Now, there's other features as well as far as like spam review filtering and alerts for low reviews where the business owner can jump in right away. But the idea here is you get them set up for $1,500 up front, and then you charge roughly maybe $297 to $497 a month recurring. So this way, each time you get a customer signed up and onboarded, you just continue to stack that monthly recurring revenue over and over and over again. So unlike a side gig where you're doing pressure washing or some other job where you get paid once and you start over at zero, every time you get a new customer here, obviously the money keeps stacking. This is one of the simplest, most easily sold AI services you can offer to businesses right in your backyard. We cover lots of ways to get clients. Comment guide down below. I'll send you over this link to download the full AI agency blueprint, everything you need in there to get started. All right, see you on the next one.